If you're ready to take your cookbook to the next level, our digital cookbook template for Adobe InDesign is the perfect tool for you. Featuring customizable layouts and easy-to-use features, this template makes it easy to create a cookbook that looks and feels professional. Our digital cookbook template for Adobe InDesign has been specifically designed to look great on tablets and other digital media devices. With its responsive design, your cookbook will automatically adjust to the size and orientation of the screen, making it easy to read and navigate on any device. Whether your readers are using a desktop computer or tablet, they'll be able to enjoy your cookbook in all its digital glory. One of the key features of our digital cookbook template for Adobe InDesign is its easy-to-edit paragraph styles. This means that you can quickly and easily change the font, size, and color of your text to make your cookbook look exactly the way you want it to. Whether you're creating a cookbook for personal use or for commercial purposes, having the ability to customize your text can make all the difference. The template also has the option of generating the table of contents in an easy way and also generates bookmarks for easy navigation in the PDF format. In this example we see in Adobe Acrobat, since the bookmarks make it easier for the user to scroll through the entire document. Finally, you will be able to insert new sections and new recipes into your template, which can be updated with a couple of clicks on the table of contents on page 3. You are welcome to download this template and customize it in Adobe InDesign.